the other corner. What? It's not a... There's a policeman. Pasubo ako doon. Okay. Are you Filipino? Are you what? Filipino? Bangladesh? Huh? Filipino and? Huh? Sri Lankan? Are you a Sri Lankan? Half iguana? Okay. You're contestant number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4, okay? Kung tawa kayo, wala pa nga. Of course, we will treat it like a beauty pageant, okay? Beauty pageant, you know? First, there will be a fast music, and then you will rap, you know? You will like that. You do the modeling shit like that. I will give you a sample. And then, after the music stops, in front of the mic, and you say your name. If you want, you can say, how old are you? And then end it with a quote. You know, quote? Like, you believe in a saying or something, blah, blah, blah. I will give you an example, okay? Magkatanga-tanga. Music! Now, you go here, you do your stuff. Pakit-pakit. Then drive, then do your stuff again. Then in the middle. Hi, my name is Kay Rosas from Manila, Philippines. I'm 24 years old, lul. And I believe in the saying that honesty is such a lovely word. Boom! Okay. Are we clear on that? Name, or maybe you can say where do you work, whatever. Then end it. It's very important. End it with a quote or a saying. Okay? Are you ready? Because that's number 1. Rampa! Music! Uy! Okay na yun. Huwag pabalik tanga! Uy! Tanga! Ang tangina. Bumol! Sabik mo ulo! Pakilala ka! Hindi ko kausap eh.
Hello,
Okay.
I'm Ronaldo.
Ano, wala ka sa pag-iisip? Ano to? Pangalan, edad, o sunod ang trabaho, ano?
I'm a seaman and you're my companion, sir.
Yung companions mo, mga seamen, no? Marami sila taka, seamen. Okay, saying. Mekas, naniniwala po ako pag Tagalog yun. Sige.
Naniniwala po ako.
Ayaw mo sa naniniwala. Coach! Lapis tak. Lapis blind, gano'n. Bahala ka sa buhay mo, malaki ka na nalimunyo ka eh. Wala kang alam. Ang katanda mong yan, wala kang alam pisa.
Speechless ako sa iyo eh.
Wow. Naniniwala po ako, speeches ako sa iyo. Next. Alam mo to, yung bangs ko pinag-usoy, no? Pipito lang eh. Contest number 2. Rampa! Why is that? What's that? Are your legs not even? You're doing like that? Because I only know to know what's happening down there if you do that. It's either your eggs are not even, o kinakain yung panty mo, gano'n. Okay. Now, even. Okay. Huh? Huh? Yung English talk, yeah. Yeah. Hi. Hey. Go. Go ahead. Thanks.
My man known Nujuron.
Do you believe? Ano ka sa tama nito? Do you drugs? Do you have any saying? coats? No? No? Okay, thank you so much. Number 3, Rampa! Music! Ako ng away. Oh. Ikaw na.
Hi, I'm Richard Samat, working at Sakai Sushi. 42 years old. Sabi ng nanay ko, sinabi niya lang, thank you.
Mga heavy ang mga to. Pinag-isipan talaga. Oh, you're still here. But that's number 4. Rampa! Go!
Hi. Hello.
May lakad.
My name is Akil from Sri Lanka, work at Glen Health Hospital, age 25. That's all. I really enjoy this program.
You work on the hospital? Are you a patient? I'm glad you're okay now. But I'm still worried about your health. Okay. We all know sa Pilipinas, uso-uso sa internet, right? On social media, it's very, very famous right now, all the pick-up lines, pick-up lines? Pick-up lines? Hey, like that. And I will say, why? And they say, you pick-up line. Do you know any pick-up lines? Wala ka naman alam? Hindi na ka pa. Wala ka alam? Pick-up lines. Diba ganyan? Excuse me, naglalakad ako kunyari, ganyan. Kasalapit naman ako, excuse me. Ganon. Bakit? Ganon. Meron ka nang alam. Number 1, game. Kaya naglalakad-lakad ako. Nasa may Nandos. Yan, hindi pa kumakain doon. Kakain ako mamaya sa Nandos. Ang tagal mo naman! Ang mikropono! Demonyo ka talaga. Wala ka alam? Wala ka naman alam pick-up line? Do you know any pick-up lines? Hindi nga lang po pick-up eh. Pass! O go, ikaw na tututol. Mag-isip ka tol ha. Game, kanya nagalakad ako. Hi! Hello, yes. Oh.
Tayo ka ba?
Ano? Parang ang luma niya ng tol. Wala ka palang mas luma pa dyan. O bakit?
Kasi hindi kita kaya paglaruan sa kamay ko.
Luma. Okay, game. Number 4. It's your turn. Then you can, you can say what you want. Nanawagan po ako.